yourself. I wire. Get out.
No, you have to lower mine. They just got in while I was eating. That's why I got the crumbs all out.
Fast and the Furious shit. Widzisz? Like it, it's a BMW. You fucking dick. Get the fuck out.
It smells the pizza.
I will.
That's why I put it away.
I will wait. I got time. We're not racing.
Yes, we are.
No, we're not. We're not racing. And I'm not buckled up.
We're the least prepared. Oh, that was a nice smooth break.
What are you doing?
What did he do?
He did something.
He hit somebody?
Oh, my brake pads. They squeal. Anton is parking next to Anthony. Or
I
behind.
think you're way too far up, man.
Get out. Get out.
How are we gonna fit everybody then? Bottom, like go back down, just at the edge of the grass near the street.
Yeah.
Photo.
Anthony, back up and then straighten out a bit, and we can all fit on the crown of the like
Okay, we're gonna open this window.
pebbles or rocks.
Oh, my hair. See? Told you.
Oh, boo-hoo. You know how much more I have in my head?
No. As much as me.
And about 6 times longer. You know how many more nuts can form in that length? A lot. They become an impenetrable fabric at that point. Anton didn't hit anybody, did he?
No. He just headed out before everybody.
Whew, yeah.
I was gonna get
and
the
this
Fast and the
Nissan should
Furious.
Really move.
No, it's fine. It can stand there. It is welcome to stand there.
No. Now with the key band on him. Her.
Okay, K-band. Gay band.
Do I have to get out of the car?
No,
Or can I stay sleepy?
you can stay sleepy.
I just don't want to put my shoes on, honestly. I haven't slept the entire thing. I have closed my eyes a couple times. Just the rocking makes me so sleepy. It's like being rocked to sleep. And who has their radio on without knowing it? Oh, him.
It's
Okay.
probably Anthony.
Is Anthony the one standing tall over there?
Yeah. He's being a leader. Standing tall and looking like he's no shit.
Wow, what perfect parking jobs.
Yes.
So cool. I could never park like this nice. Actually, no, I could, definitely. But just still impressive. Okay, I feel bad if I don't get out now.
I would have broken the E36 line out. Me?
He doesn't want to back up.
That's what I figured. That's why I'm like, why is he standing there?